everyone. Today I will be filming test trains on the new platform 3. So basically here it is. Very nice platform. It's just in front of me. Sorry, I get some feedbacks that's saying that the video quality is bad because it's shaking. I can't do anything unless I get the gimbal. And okay, so here's a test train. Wow. Okay, so it's 2-car A series. I mean, it's a test train, I guess. So let's get the thumbnail picture. Thumbnail picture taken. Alright, so this is the test train. Oh, whoopsie. Yo, that's so cool. It says T on the thing. I believe that's like Gorley. Oh, there's just a bystander. Ooh, yes! We got it to depart. Yes, the test train's departing. That one's departing and this one's also departing. Yo, that's so cool. Yo. Look at that's cool. Okay, and then there's another one. There's another train, which is I think it went express. Whoa. Okay, the platform's getting pretty busy. So this will just stop there. Okay, so let's see whether there's another test train. I think the frequency of the test train is like every 10 minutes or something. I don't know. Check my Discord maybe. Okay, so there's the A series. You can just see in the distance. Okay, that's cool. Right, the train's departing. Let's film that. Take a break from driving, okay. Let's set something. Okay, one train done. I mean, since this platform not in use, I guess they're not testing the PSDs. They're pretty confident that. Oh, okay, let's zoom up to that. So, we're ready for the NRL. Okay, I really like that. Okay. Oh, quite windy. I'm not sure whether you can hear me. Oh, and the bus station quite busy as well. Oh wait, so that's so cool. So the A series depart, but then the actual like in-service Mandurah line trains can like overlap with them, because you see the Thornley Cockburn link has two like lines in the middle, and then the Mandurah line is like there and there. So you can, there's a chance that if you take the Mandurah line train on a weekday, you can actually see the test train. Alright, so I don't know why they want to use A series for testing. I mean, in the amount of pictures that I've been seeing of test trains on the Thornley Cockburn, I've only... Oh, wait, is that another test train? Oh, that's another test train. Okay, so basically... So basically, there's a B series on the test on the Thornley Cockburn. No. Wait, what? I'm so confused. So that's not a test train, okay. That's not a test train, that's just a normal train. Okay, I've been pretty confused. So basically, okay, so it's peak hour basically. Yeah, that's just a Mandurah bound train. Many cameras, oh, holy. Many cameras on the new platform. I don't know why there was a bystander with a Metronet lanyard. I guess this concludes the video, so maybe Make sure to subscribe to Drilling Transport 91 over in Aviation, Perth Trainer Bus, and obviously, make sure to follow my Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.